Hello friends, and today I'm going to bring you along the journey of making some lavender dog shampoo bars. Here I've got my oils pre-mixed and I've already incorporated the goat's milk. Here I've got my aloe lye water and I've pre-measured my lavender essential oil. When making this, you want to make sure you've got everything ready because it's kind of dangerous to deal with the lye water, and you always want to use some eye equipment. Gloves. I'm going to incorporate the lye water now. Sorry about the noise, but you really can't hear me while I'm making this because of the motor, so I'm just I'm leaving the soap just bare. I'm not adding any colorants. The only thing I'm adding is the essential oil and the goat's milk, so I want to make it as clean of a product as possible. Hit a light tray, so now I'm going to incorporate my essential oil. It's so beautiful. I love lavender essential oil. I made this 5-pound batch of lavender dog shampoos, and I made a couple of samples with these little ones. These shampoo bars will be ready in 4 weeks, so reach out to me if you're interested in using these on your lovely pooches. Bye guys.